data is just the raw GNSS data. It's only going to want to process and we choose how we want data to now be in our WPS. WPS zone 32 coordinates. Then you will realize that what we shared in the group is completely different from this.
How would you describe the training so far?
Wow, it's a wonderful one. It's a very, very special experience. Me and seeing Chika do what I know he does best, you know. He's a great guy. Like I said inside, it's 3 in 1. Okay, he's a brother, a friend, a mentor. In fact, I wanted him to be a lecturer, but he's just too big to just be in the school. Okay, so the business part of him is wonderful, impacting knowledge on people. All the GNSS stuff we have learned today, they are wonderful, and I'm really proud of them.
I made up my mind that I'll be at this training despite my tight schedule, and I've not been let down. It's been a wonderful time. The training, the class training, practical sessions, they're so wonderful. So all I can say about the training is 10 over 10.
Unlike the other workshops that I used to attend, this one is hands-on. Everything is practical. You learn a lot from it. So it's really amazing.
I can say that virtually all that was taught in this training, more especially the use of coordinate systems, map projection, and then the new softwares that was introduced into this training program. It was a very exciting one.
We have gone out of this passive work, analog. Things are getting modernized. So we need to encourage ourselves to support the sector.
I wish probably I studied surveying. So as a geologist, there's a lot that we can apply in what we do. Because we work in the field and we also work in the mine. And in these locations or areas where we work to get geological data, topographic data is very, very important.
How confident do you feel after this training?
Very, very confident. We're even practicing the earthwork calculation. We did some kind of observations and we're able to use that. And then for the site calibration, I've never really done that before, so I was able to learn that here.
If there's this training elsewhere, I like there's another one in Lagos, I want to advise whoever is not here to be in that league.
I love the fact that we are few, so we could interact, we could listen and really add to what he was also saying. It's good because we are very few, but I think in order not to be selfish, knowledge like this should go around. I expect schools to send their lecturers, government offices, parastatals should send their people to come for trainings like this, because things like this happen once in a while.
And then you have successfully completed the Certified GNSS Professional Workshop held in Abuja on the 19th and 20th May 2025. Congratulations, sir.